Good morning students. So let's start a lecture for today. So in the previous lecture, we discussed some questions based on sentence improvement. So let's continue further and solve some more questions, and we will also discuss some previous year questions asked in various competitive examinations like SBI PO, IBPS PO and so on. So without any further ado, let's begin. So in the last lecture, we discussed till here, till question 6. Now, let's continue further. So, here's the next question, solve it. So, is it done? Let's discuss. Let me first read out the sentence given. He was looking into his book for the last 2 hours but couldn't find it. So, the correct answer is option C, that is looking for his book. Now, looking for should be used instead of looking into. Look for is a phrasal verb of look, meaning to search or attempt to find someone or something. For example, Rani has been looking for her wallet for the last 1 hour. Thus, coming back to the sentence, the most appropriate option that can substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence is option C, that is looking for his book. Fine. So, the correct sentence after improvement would be, he was looking for his book for the last 2 hours but couldn't find it. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now, moving on, here's the next question. Try solving it. So, is it done? Let's check. Let me first read out the sentence. Food with its notions of purity and impurity has and still continues to be a bone of contention among people from various castes. So, the answer is option E, that is no correction required. The sentence is grammatically correct, hence no improvement is required. So, I hope it's clear. Now, moving on, here's the next question, solve it. So, is it done? Let's discuss. Let me first read out the sentence given. The gym trainer appreciated the novice at handling considered to be difficult exercises. So, the correct answer is option B. Considerably difficult means something difficult of a significant level. Difficult is an adjective that describes exercises. The word considerable should be used in its adjective form, which is considerably, to define difficult exercises. Fine. So, the correct sentence after improvement would be, the gym trainer appreciated the novice at handling considerably difficult exercises. So, I hope it's clear. Now, moving on, here's the next type of question asked. So, let me first read out the instructions given. In the given question, a part of the sentence is printed in bold. Below the sentence, 3 alternatives to the bold part are given which may help improve the sentence. Choose the option that reflects the correct use of the phrase in the context of the sentence. In case the given sentence is correct, your answer is E, that is, no correction required. Fine. So, here is the first question based on it. Try solving it. Done? Let us discuss. Let me first read out the sentence. More than anything, it is the human cost of disasters that are the most compelling argument for action. So, basically cost is a singular subject, thus the auxiliary verb is should be used. Thus, part 1 is automatically eliminated. Now, for the remaining 2 parts, more represents comparative degree, hence the cannot be used before it. Hence, part 2 is also incorrect. The is used with superlative degree. Hence, part 3 is the correct answer. The most is your superlative degree. Fine. Thus, coming to our options, option C is the right answer choice, that is only part 3. So, the correct sentence after replacement will be, more than anything, it is the human cost of disasters that is the most compelling argument for action. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now, moving on, solve the next question. Done? Let us check. Let me first read out the sentence given. No other region in the world illustrates the chronic nature of displacing caused by extreme weather events and climate change more than Asia and the Pacific. So, now displacing is a continuous verb which does not make much sense over here. Thus, the noun displacement should be written instead of displacing. Also, the sentence talks about climatic changes. Thus, the word weather should be used instead of weather. So, it is wrong. Instead, weather should be used. So, now looking at the parts given, only part 1 is correct. Displacement and weather. As you can see, again weather is used over here and here displace is used. Fine. So, looking at our options, option A is the right answer choice, that is only part 1. Fine. So, the correct sentence after improvement will be, no other region in the world illustrates the chronic nature of displacement caused by extreme weather events and climate change more than Asia and the Pacific. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now, moving on, let us discuss some previous year questions on sentence improvement asked in various competitive examinations like IBPS PO, SBI PO and so on. So, let us begin. Here is the first question asked. Try solving it on your own. So, let me first read out the instructions given. In the given question, a part of the sentence is printed in bold. Below the sentence, alternatives to the emboldened part are given as A, B, C and D, which may help improve the sentence. Choose the correct alternative out of the given 5 options. In case the given sentence is correct, your answer will be option E, that is no correction required. Fine. So, here is the first question asked. Try solving it on your own. So, is it done? Let us discuss. Let me first read out the statement given. Battles over public budgets are usually fought line by line after closed doors as well as in public. So, here the phrase used is wrong. The correct phrase is behind closed doors, meaning hidden or in secret, away from observers, that is privately. Let us understand this with the help of an example. The deal was negotiated behind closed doors. Fine. Hence, clearly option B is the right answer choice. So, the correct sentence should be battles over public budgets are usually fought line by line behind closed doors as well as in public. Fine. So, is it clear? Now, moving on, here is the next question. Solve it. So, is it done? Let us check. Let me first read out the sentence given. The sun was hidden in Spyglass Hill, which came down to the sea in dangerous cliffs on the left side of the island. So, the correct answer is option C, that is hidden behind. So, basically the preposition used in the given sentence is wrong. The correct preposition would be behind. Hence, the correct sentence after improvement should be the sun was hidden behind Spyglass Hill, which came down to the sea in dangerous cliffs on the left side of the island. Fine. Now, here is the next question. Solve it. So, is it done? Let us tally. So, the correct answer is option A. So, the given emboldened part needs to be improved. Arrangement is a noun. It means an agreement between two people or groups about how something happens or will happen. Since arrangement is beginning with a vowel, article and should be used before it. Also, here arrangement has been made between two people only and not multiple people. Hence, option A will be the correct answer, that is an arrangement that he would. Therefore, the correct sentence after improvement would be, we had an arrangement that he would clean the house and I would cook. Fine. I hope it is clear. So, that is it for today. We will continue further in the next lecture. Thank you.